Hi kids! Welcome to our yummy kitchen. Today, we are going on a delicious adventure to learn about some famous Indian dishes and exciting facts about them. Are you ready? Let's get started. India is a big country with many states, each having its own special dishes. We'll explore some of these tasty treats today. First up, we have samosas. These crispy, triangular snacks are filled with spicy potatoes, peas, and sometimes meat. Did you know that samosas originally came from the Middle East and were introduced to India by traders? Samosas are popular during festivals and as street food. Yum! Next, let's talk about butter chicken, also known as murg makhani. This creamy, tomato-based curry with tender chicken pieces is a favorite worldwide. It was created in Delhi in the 1950s by a chef who accidentally made the sauce by mixing leftover chicken with tomato gravy and butter. Imagine creating a world-famous dish by accident. How cool is that? Now, we travel south to enjoy some dosa. Dosa is a thin, crispy pancake made from fermented rice and lentil batter. It's usually served with coconut chutney and sambar. Did you know that dosa is considered one of the oldest dishes in India, dating back over 1,500 years? Making dosa can be so much fun. Look at that flip! Speaking of dosas, have you heard of Neeru dosi? This unique dosi from Karnataka is made with a thin batter of rice, resulting in a soft and fluffy texture. It's typically served with coconut chutney and a spicy curry. Neeru dosi is so light and tasty. It's perfect for breakfast. Let's not forget biryani, a fragrant rice dish cooked with spices, meat, and sometimes vegetables. Biryani has many regional variations, like Hyderabadi biryani and Kolkata biryani, each with its unique flavor. It is said that biryani was brought to India by the Mughals and has become a royal treat ever since. Biryani is perfect for sharing with friends and family. Ready for some street food fun? Pani puri, also known as golgappa or puchka, is a popular street snack. These crispy, hollow balls are filled with spicy and tangy flavored water, potatoes, and chickpeas. Eating pani puri can be quite the adventure, with its burst of flavors in every bite. How many pani puris can you eat in one go? It's a tasty challenge. Next, we have rajma, or red kidney beans cooked in a spicy gravy. This hearty dish is often served with rice, making rajma chawal a comforting meal. Rajma is rich in protein and fiber, making it a healthy choice too. Healthy and delicious, rajma chawal is a hit. Pav bhaji is another street food favorite. It's a spicy vegetable mash served with buttered bread rolls. This dish was invented in Mumbai as a quick lunch option for textile mill workers. Today, it's enjoyed by people of all ages. Imagine serving pav bhaji to your friends from your very own street food stall. Speaking of Mumbai, have you tried vada pav? This is often called the Indian burger. It consists of a spicy potato fritter placed inside a bun, served with chutneys and fried green chili. Vada pav is a quick and delicious snack. Vada pav is spicy, crunchy, and oh so good. Now let's explore kori roti from coastal Karnataka. This dish includes spicy chicken curry served with crispy rice wafers. Kore means chicken and roti refers to the crispy rice wafers. The combination of spicy chicken and crispy wafers is amazing. Chole bhature is a popular dish from North India. It consists of spicy chickpeas, called chole, and fluffy fried bread, called bhature. This dish is often enjoyed as a special breakfast or lunch treat. Making bhature can be like playing with dough. Look at those puffy bread. Idli is a soft, fluffy cake made from fermented rice and lentil batter. It's a staple breakfast dish in South India, usually served with chutney and sambar. Did you know that idli is considered one of the healthiest breakfasts because it is steamed and easy to digest? Healthy and tasty, idli is a great way to start your day. Finally, let's end our food journey with a sweet treat, jalebi. These spiral-shaped desserts are made from deep-fried batter soaked in sugar syrup. Jalebi is crispy on the outside and juicy on the inside, making it a favorite during festivals and celebrations. Jalebi can be a little messy but so much fun to eat. We hope you enjoyed learning about these delicious Indian dishes and the exciting facts behind them. Try some of these dishes with your family and share your favorite ones with us in the comments. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell for more fun and educational videos. See you next time.